Hello friends, welcome to Legal Travel. I have already uploaded 2 videos about BA LLB syllabus of Calcutta University. Today is the third day and today I will discuss about third year BA LLB syllabus of Calcutta University. Before watching the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for all notifications. If you enjoy the video, please do like and share. If you have any suggestion or queries, please feel free to contact me through comment box. Let's enjoy the video. Let's start with 5th semester syllabus. Paper 1 Political Science 5, Paper 2 Economics 3, Paper 3 Constitutional Law 2, Paper 4 Administrative Law, Paper 5 Property Law. For first 3 papers that are same as 4th semester syllabus, so to know the reference books for first 3 papers, you have to watch my previous video. Now for paper 4 Administrative Law, there have several books on administrative law. One is C.K. Takwani Lectures on Administrative Law, Indian Administrative Law written by Manoj Sharma, Administrative Law written by S.R. Maineni, Administrative Law written by C.K. Thakkar. Administrative law is not a codified law, it is unwritten and uncodified. So Baer Act is not available for this act. There is property law, that is Transfer of Property Act 1882. This act is about regulations of transfer of property in India. Baer Act is available for Transfer of Property Act, but Baer Act is not sufficient for BLLB course. You have to follow some reference books. You may follow the Transfer of Property Act book written by Dr. R.K. Sinha. Another book is Transfer of Property Act written by S.N. Shukla. Textbook on the Transfer of Property Act written by Avtar Singh. Another important book is Mullah on the Transfer of Property Act 1882 written by Dinsa Fardunji Mullah. Now let's discuss about 6th semester syllabus. Paper 1 Political Science 6, Paper 2 Law of Crimes 2 The Code of Criminal Procedure, Paper 3 Civil Procedure Code and Limitation Act, Paper 4 Law of Copyright. And for honors student, there have 2 extra papers. Paper 1 Offense against Child and Juvenile Offences, Paper 2 Gender Justice and Feminist Jurisprudence. For Paper 2, that is the Code of Criminal Procedure, you have to follow Criminal Manual as well as reference books. The Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 written by S.N. Misra. The book Criminal Law written by K.D. Gaur. General Principles of Criminal Law written by K.N. Chandrasekharan Pillai. Now Paper 3, that is Code of Civil Procedure 1908 and Limitation Act 1963. Baer Acts are obviously available for these 2 acts, and the reference books are Civil Procedure with Limitation Act 1963 written by C.K. Takwani, Lectures on Code of Civil Procedure and Limitation Act written by Professor Dr. Rega Surya Rao, Code of Civil Procedure and Limitation Act written by Dr. S.R. Maineni. And a question answer book is available on CPC and Limitation Act published by LexisNexis. Paper 4 is Law of Copyright. Law of Copyright is a branch of intellectual property rights. So I suggest you to buy a intellectual property rights book which include law of copyright, law of trademarks and designs, Geographical Indications Act, everything. There have several books on intellectual property rights and the law written by Dr. G.V. Reddy's. Intellectual property rights written by Niraj Pandey, Kushdeep Dharni. Intellectual property rights management written by Dr. S.R. Maineni. Law relating to intellectual property rights written by V.K. Ahuja. Intellectual property rights written by J.P. Misra. Intellectual property rights objective analysis written by Fundan Singh and Rajiv Singh. And textbook of intellectual property rights written by N.K. Acharya. There are many other books also for intellectual property rights. Now the honors papers, those are offense against child and juvenile offences, paper 1, and paper 2 is gender justice and feminist jurisprudence. Both are included in criminal procedure code. Books on offences against child and juvenile offences are available by Dr. S.R. Maineni, Dr. S.S. Singh. Another book is Offences Against Children and Juvenile Offence, written by Dr. S.K. Chatterjee. For gender justice and feminist jurisprudence, the book is Law Relating to Women and Children, written by Mamta Rao. Another book is published by Central Law Publications, Gender Justice and Feminist Jurisprudence, written by Dr. Ishita Chatterjee. These two papers include the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. So, this is the third year BA LLB syllabus of Calcutta University. If you have any queries, doubts or suggestions, please feel free to connect with me through comment box. And if you like this video, if you think the video is helpful, then share this video with your friends or relatives. And please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for all notifications from my channel. Thank you.